HitBase Cooking Show coming. What's wrong with my foot? What is that? What is that? Christ, what is that?
Is that? Oh, nice. Alright, we can start.
Movement! Movement!
Back it up. Yeah, bro. Let me get it. Yeah, get in there. My turn. Let me get in it. Die, Brett. Oh, Jesus. Is it done? Oh, Brett, get it. Come on. All right, back off, back off, back off. I think it's done. Headshot. Kill shot. Kill shot. Get it. Kill shot. No, kill shot. Get out the way. Kill shot. All right. It's good. It's done.
Right. What is that?
What is it? Pick it up. What is it?
Oh, look at that. Oh, just a bag of chicken.
Oh.
HitBase Cooking Show. Come at it. Here we go.
All right.
What we got? What are we working with today? We got chocolate chip waffles, whipped cream, caramel, Hershey syrup, chocolate syrup, more syrup, ice cream, bacon, double stuffed Oreos, donut holes, and our beautiful turkey bathing in its own juices. HitBase just killed chicken, and what we do with our killed chickens is we eat them. Yeah. Here we go. First things first. Laying down the foil in the pan, creasing up real nice and tight. There we go. Giving Brett the stunner. He didn't go for it though. Preheating the oven, 375. That's where you gotta put it at. There we go. It's ready. Then putting in the bacon. Main ingredient. Everyone loves the bacon. Bacon mustache. That's all good. Laying it down real nice and gentle. Filling up the whole pan full of bacon. We love our bacon here at HitBase. Bacon's done. Super punch by Brett.
And Latino.
Just start putting shit in the toaster here.
Putting in the waffles. Here we go. Waffles. 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 More and more waffles. Unlimited amount of waffles. Alex got the whole tray of waffles put in the oven for cooking. Our first bacon flip. Second bacon flip. Little trouble on the third. Laying down the foil, our foundation for upcoming creation. Pouring out the donut holes. Then we're going to cut them in half for more donut holes. And then the chicken itself. Looks so good. Bacon in its own juices. Bacon's done. Put it on the napkin. More and more bacon. And as we lay down the foundation of the tomb, we're feeling pretty good. Ice cream goes down. Dripping all that ice cream on those waffles looks so good. It may not look good now, but I promise you it tastes amazing.
Lay your bacon on my ice cream. Oh.
It was so precious. And the tomb is almost complete. Donut hole avalanche. Then we're putting the chicken. Putting the chicken on. Whipped cream all the way around. Don't be stingy with it. And then goes the caramel. Caramel and the chocolate syrup at the same time. Looks messy. Alright, we got this. The dirty bird is now in its tomb. We are ready to eat it. Let's go! Next time, maybe we'll separate our foods.
We permanently changed the cooking game.